problem is all inside your head, she said to me. The answer is easy if you take it logically. I'd like to help you in your struggle to be free. There must be 50 ways to leave your lover. She said it's really not my habit to intrude. Furthermore, I hope my meaning won't be lost or misconstrued, but I'll repeat myself.
Since 2021, when the social media law was passed, getting ranked has never been easier. All you need to do is come down to the rank bank near you to get your number. It's super easy. Only takes an hour to set up your account and get on the track to finding your match.
Hi, I'm Bernie Jones, and this is my wife, Claire Jones, and we are just so happy together.
When I first started this app, I wasn't really sure it was going to work, but now look where I am. I'm with my handsome husband.
It was so easy to get, and it helped me find the perfect person for me who is right at my level.
Life has been so much better since after I met my little boo-boo bear, and it's all thanks to Numbergenics.
I love you, Cupcake.
Oh, I love you too.
Hi, I'm Molly, and I finally found someone appropriate to fall for. With the help of Numbergenics, I'm with someone at my level who can love me for me. We understand each other perfectly.
My name is Dimitri Adams, and I am the creator of Numbergenics. Here's how it works. After signing up at the Rank Bank, you will be assigned a number based on our algorithms to classify you with partners you are suited for. Once your number is given, you are then welcomed into the app. You will find eligible partners within a 1-point radius of your rank and assign them a heart. A red heart indicates romance, green, friend-zoned, blue, interested but not sure, and purple, lust. If your hearts align, you've been matched. Join the thousands of happy, perfect couples using Numbergenics today.
Great job in your commercial, babe. You looked great in the new suit.
Oh, thank you. Hopefully this will get even more downloads to meet my quota for this quarter.
You're always so focused on your work. Just relax.
Oh, all right.
And maybe tell me about that trip you're planning for us. To Bora Bora?
Yeah? Oh, just the white sandy beaches, beautiful sunsets, the in-house spa with unlimited treatments, hot tub.
Dimitri, the investor called and canceled at 2 o'clock.
Oh, thank you. We need to be more careful.
Agreed.
We can't let anyone see us here or we could lose everything.
We could lose everything, or you could lose everything. I don't know why we don't just go public with it already. It's your company. You can do what you want.
It's complicated, all right?
Are you embarrassed of me, Mr. Big Shot? Because last time I checked, I'm a Kingsley, and my daddy has more influence than you. And remind me, where did you come from again?
I'm not embarrassed, it's just... You know what? I'm sorry. I didn't mean it to come across like that.
Thank you.
Well, anyway, my afternoon just opened up.
Great. Now, maybe you can unwind a bit.
Unwind? Are you kidding? That gives me more time to work on my update!
Ugh,
What?
nothing.
No, come on, babe. I know you're upset. What is it?
Just drop it.
Okay, fine. You know, I found this quote. It really spoke to me. Something like, I feel as if I'm made to understand, but not to be understood.
Mm-hmm. Honey, that's nice. Oh, babe, check out this new dress I found. Dior. Can I get it?
Is that all you care about?
Is your app all you care about?
Never mind, this is stupid. Everything is fine. How about we go get you that dress?
Perfect. And after that, we can go to my sister's party?
Party?
I told you about it yesterday. I even put it in your calendar. The big party my daddy's throwing tonight for my sister, who just turned 16 and, just got your app.
Well, I do have a lot of work to get done, but I guess I can rearrange my schedule.
Excuse me, is this the rank bank?
Yes, you've come to the right place.
Oh, good. I was away. And when I came back, I got a letter from the government saying I had 48 hours to come here and enlist in Numbergenics.
Yes, Numbergenics works to match compatible people together. We have matched millions of happy, healthy couples since our launch.
Okay. So what do I do now?
Please turn in your cell phone, driver's license, and passport photo.
Oh, all I have is this old thing. And I lost all my identification before I went away.
Unfortunately, a smart device is necessary to access the app. However, the government has provided us with a few older models to give out to those unable to supply their own.
So I get a new phone out of this?
Yes, sir. Since you come without identification, let me just run a quick background check.
Background check?
Yes. It is crucial to our algorithm to have all of the necessary information needed to match you with your future partner.
And I have to do this?
I'm afraid I'd have to report you to our agency.
Oh, all right.
All right, if you'll just follow me to the back, we'll get your number stamped and you'll be on your way.
3?
What are you doing?
I'm packing. What does it look like?
Why?
I need to leave.
Where are you going to go?
Anywhere but here.
Then take me with you.
I can't put you through that.
What's wrong with here? I'm here.
Well, so are our parents. Dad is cheating on Mom because she isn't the right number for him. I'm so sick of listening to their constant fighting over stupid stuff, and I'm tired of never being heard. They don't and have never given a damn about me or my life.
We can talk this through. They suck, but we can get through that.
I can't get through it anymore.
Please tell me what's wrong.
Fine. Do you really want to know?
What?
I'm gay, all right?
You know that doesn't matter to me.
Yeah, but it does to everyone else.
Please don't leave me all alone.
I don't have a choice.
Yes, you do. I have my own issues too, you know, and you don't see me running away.
You don't understand.
What don't I understand?
You don't know what it's like to hide away who you are. People like me aren't accepted here anymore. They keep taking away every privilege we ever had, and we can't do anything anymore. And our parents already hate who I am, and they don't even know. Not like I care. I don't even care about my stupid number. I didn't even want it anyway.
What is your number?
I won't tell.
Because you don't trust me.
No, because I don't want to be part of this system anymore.
You don't need to run away to get away.
I do.
Don't you care about me?
Of course I do. Why would you ask me that?
Because you are leaving me here, all alone with our crappy parents.
Don't you dare guilt trip me.
I didn't say anything that wasn't true. If you feel guilty, that's your fault.
That's not going to stop me from leaving.
You can't just run away from your problems.
What the hell are you doing? Stop.
I'll stop when you listen to me.
I have to go. Bye, Kit.
Please, you can't just leave me here.
So, James, I've been following your career for quite some time now, and might I say you are quite the performer.
Thank you.
Let's talk business. I want you to be the new face of my app, and I'm willing to do anything to get you on my team.
What's in it for me?
Fame? Fortune? What more could you need? My app will have you set for the rest of your life, and considering the fragile condition of your current career, I think you should take all the help you can get.
I have been struggling to fill seats recently. It seems kids these days don't care much for classic rock.
Well, our app can help with that. Kids 16 and older are required to join. With your sponsorship, ticket sales would be through the roof. You'd be selling out stadiums.
That does all sound very promising.
I had my lawyer draft up a contract. All you have to do is sign here, and initial here, and sign here.
One more thing. My number, I want a 10.
Done. Pleasure doing business with you.
Leave.
It's Thea.
I don't care. I don't want to see anyone right now.
Come on, Jules. Just let me in.
Fine.
What's wrong?
Nothing. I'm fine.
Obviously, something's wrong. Mom and Dad threw this party for you. Everything is here to celebrate you getting the app and your number. And what do? You just run away.
Well, I mean, I never asked for this party. I just don't want to see anyone right now.
And why not?
Just because I don't, Thea, okay?
Well, Daddy thought you'd like the surprise. Mom even got you this designer dress to wear. All right, well, why don't you just go try the dress on? That way we can walk down together.
No.
Jules, I can't help you unless you tell me why you're upset.
It's just... Never mind, I don't even want to talk about it.
Just tell me, why is this so hard?
Because, Thea, look!
Oh.
Thea, I'm a 7.
What? How? You can't be a 7. There must have been a mistake. You're a Kingsley.
No, Thea, it's not a mistake. I'm the mistake. I'm a 7.
You may have a lower number, but you aren't a mistake. You can't be a 7. You can't. We can fix this. See? Pluck some eyebrows, maybe some highlights. I can teach you how to do makeup. I can even let you borrow some of my clothes instead of those.
Cut it out, Thea. That's not gonna help. I mean, how am I not a mistake? 7, Thea. 7, you, Mom, Dad, all of you. All of you are perfect 10s, and then there's me, a 7. Am I even a Kingsley?
Stop being dramatic. Of course you're a Kingsley. We'll get it figured out.
Jesus, Thea, get it through that pretty little head of yours. There's no fixing this. I knew I wasn't gonna be a 10. For the love of God, Mom even told me so. She told me it'd be okay if I got a 9 or even an 8, but a 7, Thea? 7 isn't good enough for her. I'm not good enough.
Let's find out just how far I'll go to look like someone you should know. Maybe I'd sound a little better if my features were more sweet. Your mind's already been made up. You saw my number and my number wasn't good enough. I'll write a little better if I'm willing to compete. I'll do it if I have to, hoping for an in-between. Not what I meant when I said that I wanted to be seen. How am I meant to stay on track when each hand I shake will pull me back? Oh, I'll work a little harder, but walk a little less. And in the end, will I feel proud that I grit my teeth and followed the damn crowd? Will I have grown a little empire or made a fucking mess? I'll do it if I have to, hoping for an in-between. Not what I meant when I said that I wanted to be seen. I'll do it if I have to, I'll keep it to myself, hoping for an in-between. Oh, I must have seen that somewhere. Not what I meant when I said that I wanted to be seen.